a seminar. So probably that is the reason why I need to make our class early. Kay tomorrow, we also have convention. Kami nila ni Ma'am Nars. So niya inagaw next week kay dili gud mi pwede makaklase kay naapod ni seminar duha. So Wednesday and Thursday, our seminar starts on 21, 20. Our seminar is 21, 22, 23. So mao na ang reason nga nung I made it early. Dayon inig after ana nga week 29, 30, dapat 29 and 30 mahuman na ta nga part. So munang ang gipaulahin na lang ako si mathematical induction kay mas sakit-sakit sa gamay sa dughan for the proving part niya. We need to prove man. So akong ipadayon na lang karon si functions. And for the identities, katong na setting identities, review na lang to ninyo siya. Pare-pareha ra to siya sa propositional logic. Only lang, you're using union intersection. And then probably, you can also try to answer katong nasa inyong slides, proving through that one, kanang truth table, no? And instead of true or false, you're using 0 and 1. And by the way, since we might end up on 6 and 7 sa May, kay murag basin mo sango sa inyong defend. Musango gani na gamay sa inyong defend. So mo nang let's try to paningkamot that everything will be done, no? O Phil January pag ano dara dito ay sige pang sani pang gitik sa imong mga classmates. So I'm talking about the time, no, kay marag dili na jud siya. So paningkamuto na ko humahuman ko sa 29 para we can have the quiz kay para sa atong final. So as I have mentioned, dili na ta mag ganong semi-final, no? Dili na ta mag semi-final. I-quiz na lang, one quiz na lang ko, then finals na dayon. So munang tingbunin ako kung discussion or mahuman na ta dayon. Ang ba? Anyway, so let us pray first in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father who art in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Bless us, O Lord, as we make the victory sign of the cross. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning. Good morning. Uy, ano sa man yung morning
Morning,
work?
Miss.
Good.
Morning,
Oh, good morning. Mhm. So let me share you with my screen, no? So our topic is all about functions. We are now in functions and relations. So I divided it into two, functions and relations. Okay, wait lang. Ano naman to si functions? Here. Okay, kadali lang. Uh-huh. Ay, wag pa din ako na-share. Wait lang. Okay. Okay. So, somewhat like in your programming, you also have functions. Same here, we also have functions. So what are the objective for this particular topic? So learning first is to learn about function map, each element of a domain to exactly one element of a codomain. So you have what we call as the domain and codomain, showing clear relationship between sets. So if you have noticed, what we have learned in our programming also have it in this particular subject. The second objective is to discover the type of function. So there are type of functions such as injective, surjective, or bijective. Or the other way around of saying it, injection, surjection, and bijection. And then we will understand their properties. And finally, you explore the function models in a real-world problems and are used in algorithm, logic, and computer science. So first thing first is we define what is a function. So according to a textbook, a function is a relation in which every input has exactly one output. So inana day si function. So sa programming, we can make our function reusable by calling it again. But the expected output to that one is still 1. No? So you have given any sets A, B, a function f from, or you map it to a, let's say a to b, or f is equals to the function or a function of a to b, is an assignment of exactly one element. So it is a function f, or f of x is an element of b. To each element, x is an element of a. So to visually look at what the function looks like, it is it looks like this, no? So you have it in here on the other side. The A there, kanang A kaning ay sorry, ako sa A ko anan eh. Pointer pen, no? So this A here, this one is your domain, no? And the B here is considered as your co-domain. So this A here is your possible inputs, kani dinhi. And then your co-domain here is the possible output. So mo nang you will say F, so you have that one, the F of A, ano mong expected output. So functions are also called mapping or transformation. So from this particular illustration, you can have it A map to B, or if A, then B. So the elements of A, it is a specific input to set A. So the rule F there, katong akong gi-encircle nga si F, kani dinhi ani nga F, okay? The arrow labeled represent the function itself. So this would be the process from this set A to set B. So to the point of the arrow landed in set B, okay? So in other words, that particular input going into one output. Okay, so mo na siya gitawag og relation as well. So graphical representations of function can be done like this. Pwede siya Venn diagram, no? Ani? Venn diagram. Or it could be like a graph, or it could be a plot, no? So, inana ang representation sa function. So, function ay could be like this. So, you also have like a set. Kani din, this one is the A. Kani, si Michael, si Toby, si John, si Chris, o si Brad. And the other side, that would be your, okay, si A again is your input. And si B is your output. But you define there B, Kathy, Carla, and Mary. So we don't know yet what is the relationship between A to B. But as of this, F is mapped to B and defined as F of A, which is equals to the mother of A. So we do not know. Ano man? Online ra. Online ra. Dito lang oh. Sorry na yung mga nag-interrupt the joke. Okay, so you have it in here. This is an example of a function class. So in that case, furthermore, we will be illustrating kung unsa to sila no, like ato si A o si B. So as I have said, this is how we are going to do. So si A is considered as the domain. And then si B is considered as the codomain. And then si B nga gamay is the image. It's under this one. So f of A is equals to B. So it is A under F. And then where A is an element of A nga dako and B is an element of A nga gamay. So natin gitawag og pre-image. And we also have the range of it. So the range there, R is a subset of B, and of F is B, or it is a set of B. There exists an A, F of A equals to B. No? So with that particular situation there, based on the given definitions of that F is equals to or A map to B, no? Kung imong tan-awon din ha nga part, you have collect nakagitawag og image, pre-image, no? So with that kay you can have more or we can have more example in the situations wherein we will have to use these particular definitions of all the um, later sa atong example. No? So for this, ay, ano sa man eh? Kana. So you have it in here. A is a function of F mapped to that one. So I think you know this one, no? A cross B is a Cartesian function, no? So where A is element of A, and then A not B, it's an element of B, and less than A, B is an element of F. So unsa may bot pasabot ani niya. So for this, kani diring dapita kani nga picture, okay? This contains or atong ikuan kung na-satisfy ba siya both ani niya. No? So again, the A here kani is considered as your input or your domain, and then your B there is your codomain. So with that one, kung imong tan-awon, for every element in the starting set domain, you can leave any input nga mo map ani niya kani mo map ani niya kani nga part. Okay? Or there exists exactly one unique output in the target, which is considered as our co-domain. So you have it in there. kani siya nga part here, kani. Si A, B is an element of F. This means that the function is essentially a list of ordered pairs. So na siya ordered pairs. So kung imong makit-an kani nga wave kani naka-yellow here, okay? Kay that is the wave wherein we know whether it's satisfied with a given uh, collection of points. So in that particular areas there, this one is considered as a valid function. Why? Because if you draw kuno vertical line or you draw a vertical line anywhere or kaning naka-wave dira, naka-curve nga yellow, every x has exactly one y. Okay? While on the other hand, mo nang gibutangan siya why not? Nganong gi-x gid na nako siya yellow. Ngano man day? Because if you draw a vertical line through it, you hit the curve multiple times, no? So wherein it violates, asa gani siya ni violate kanino? Kani ba kani? Mo violate si aning unsa gali na siya ibasaan nato niya. There exists one, at least one, no? So there exists, or rather there exists exactly one unique output in the target. So mo nang dili kani siyang kani nga part kani nga visualization here, this is not a function. Again, what makes it not a function? Because if you draw a vertical line through it, you hit multiple or you hit the curve multiple times. So mao na ang rason ngano nga dili siya point. Furthermore, okay, so this is what we called as click na siya image and pre-image. So as you can say there, for any set S, A is a subset of A. So in the image S here equals B or such that B, so kanino there exists an A, it's an element of S. So F of A is equals to B. So in that case, for example here, si Michael o si Toby, no, kanina part, si Michael o si Toby is equals to Cathy. So kung imo nakita dira wala may Toby kay Cathy no nga naka-point. 'Di ba? Based on this picture or image here. So on the other hand as well, A is equals to B minus Carol or si B minus Carol. So diri nga part walay naka-point ni Carol. So makit-ani mo no nga part for that certain image. So dili kay na bali si Cathy kay walay appeal si Toby po, no? Kung mo makita dara nga part. So ato nang tanawon more unsa kana siyang properties later on of functions. So ayan. Nato. So the image of John, image ni John, naman si John. Dara si John. Ay di makita. Dara si John, no? Is equals to Cathy o na may naka-point. Then the pre-image of Cathy, si kani, kay naa siya John, Toby, and Michael. Okay, sige. Suppose that if is a function mapping students in this class to the set of grades. So for example, the grades there is A, B, C, D, E. Ana. So at this point, you know that if condition or the codomain is Unsa may codomain there? The codomain there is A, B, A, B, C, D, E. And the range is unknown. Wala pa man siya range. So suppose also the grade out of all A's and B's, no? Then what is the range if A and B's? Ani? A's and B's. Yang range kay A and B. But still, the codomain is A, B, C, D, E. Based on this given here. Ana. So, atong balik ko, no? If condition, the codomains A, B, C, D, E, and its range kay wala pa, unknown pa siya. But if it, for example, A's and B's, so your range now becomes A and B, or a set of A and B. But still, your codomain there is A, B, C, D, E. So in that case, you are specifying what is your range. So, unsa ganito sa range there, class? Harap to? There is a definition. Ano naman to? Ano naman to siya? Talaga ginagduga. Balikan. Adara. Ayan. So sa range di ay, R is a subset of B, of F is a set of B such that there exists an A if A of A is equals to B. No? So mo na siya. Okay, going into dala na ko. Sa ito ko dapita dira na. Okay. So we can also add, or we can also do addition and multiplication of function plus. So how you do it? So for this, no? So if and J equals R, so this is our real numbers, no? R. So in that case, from the definition, you can add it F plus J, R map to R, where F plus J of X is equals to F of X plus G of X. So pwede dahil na siya. So saan na siya? So possibly we can create a counter example to that one. So in that case, the sum of two function is a new function where the output is simply the sum of the individual output for any given X. So we can have a counter example to that one. So magdepende sa ato ang given. Similarly, the product as well could also have a result for depending on our counter example. Okay, function. Ay, ano sa mani? Function composition. So for this, our symbol there is ana no gamay or kaning dako nga o. Ani or pwede ka mo sa tug-ana nga gamay depende nimo. So this one is you read it composed or mayon ka F composed to G or J rather, I mean. So if composition, so inana siya pagkasulat a function. So with that one, there is a specific, somewhat like the same with the Cartesian product gihapon, no? So tanaw na to. Ay, ano sa man ay malapas man. O pareha ani. So set A, makita ni set A, so map to B and then nasa JC. So kung imo makita kani nga arrow there, A map to B, then B to C. Okay? So from this composition here, you have the conditions nga kani siya anang apart. So in that case, you have to, what we call that one, based on this, si A, F, kani man no, F si F kani daring dapita nga ni Agi or kani diri nga ni Agi more na siya, no? So from there G of A, and then pag-abot na diri F of G of A with the function in a composition. So from that particular image class, so like this, so you have it like kaning given nga A map to B, or S is a subset of A. So the image S is under F, no? So para masabtan nato class, magatagtag example kani. Ay, sama ni move man. Hara to. Ah, uy, kung sura ko ni click nimo anong move kag kadagahan. Okay, for this example, so you have it in there para atong masabtan pag-ayo. You have it counter example now. F of x is equals to 2x plus 3. And g of x is equals to 3x plus 2. So pag ano na nimo, imo nang replace siya. So nahit ang first is f of kana siya 3 f of j man no. So 3x plus 2 is equals to 2 times kani siya plus 3. So therefore, nigawas niya 2 times 3x equals 6x plus 7. Ano gayong na 7 na siya, class? Kay 4 plus, kailaman? 4 plus 3. 2 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 equals 7. So therefore, in that case, the g of gibali na siya, so gibali siya, so j 2x plus 3 equals to 3 times 2x plus 3 plus 2 equals 6x plus 11. So this example shows that f map to a composed to j are not necessarily equal. No, dili siya equal. So the composition of this function is not commutative based on that certain example. Sa composition na siya ha. Ay naku. Ano ka? Uy. Okay, the other one is kanisha. So f to the power of negative 1 map to f of a. Okay? So if ato siyang i-expand, ang mahitabo f of kani f of a equals i-expand na niya pareha atong kaganina without having the counter example. So f map to f negative 1 of b is equals to f. So kung imo tong subayon class, pareha ra ni siya atong natay gihatag nga counter example. So from that, ingon niya the function on the set and a b f of minus 1 equals f. So inana si function. Magsakit po gamay imong utok kay mo gyud siya i-internalize, but mas nindot kung dito nimo siya i-apply siyang properties later on. Oh, ano dai ka oy. So I think you know this ceiling function man no? Ceiling og unsa tong sa floor. So dili na kay nana ko kanang further explain dira nga dapit. Okay, makahibalo naman mo ng ceiling of one. So let's continue now to the properties of functions, which is the one-to-one function, or the other name for that is injective or injection. So ato ning timan-an unsa ni si injective. Again, this is one to one. So if and only if every element of each range has only one pre-image. And only one element of the domain is mapped to any one element of the range. So atong tanawon, I later. So domain and range have the same cardinality. So what about the codomain? So maybe it would be larger if the domain and the range of one-to-one function is um, same cardinality. So it may be larger. So this is how it is being shown. So, ay, wala ko to. So every B is an element of B has at most one pre-image. So sa function niyo sa injection class is ano siya? If different inputs produce different outputs. So a function is a one-to-one injective or an injection. There exists an ABC. So with that one, this is the a one-to-one one-to-one function. So kani ay ang next kay this is not ay, wala ko to eh. This is not a one-to-one. Kani kay ngano man nay naka-point dili siya si dapat si Michael mo point ra siya usa. No? So in that case that dili na siya one-to-one. Ako lang tingbon ang example later ha. Ako lang sa ni siya ikuan. So one-to-one function also is like this. Basahon pa na ako ay na lang mo. Basta kay mo na siya. Okay? So this is another way of illustrating. So this one is one-to-one. Ana? This one is not one-to-one. Kay naa kaninga point duha ni point aning isa. Ana? And then the other one is not even a function. Ani? Okay, dili na siya function. Nga naman, kani ring dapita, gihapon, kani siya. Ni point siya to two output. So, dili siya one-to-one or not even a function. So, in that case, dapat one-to-one-ness niya. Okay? Kaniyang one-to-one-ness is strictly monothecal. So, increasing siya if and only if x is greater than y. Then, if f of x is greater than f of y, so for all x in the domain, so strictly increasing siya. So, as I have said, tingbo na lang nako ang example niya, no? Or injective, surjective, and so on and so forth. How about surjective class? So, kung si injective kay one-to-one, si surjective is onto. Diba? Onto. So, it means that every element in the codomain is mapped at least one element in the domain. So, at least one element in the domain. So, Nara, example. So for this one, this is a surjection, no? Maski nag-exchange na sila, the function is one-to-one because each element in Y has almost one arrow. This function is onto also because each element in Y has at least one arrow pointing to it. Again, this one, kaninga part sa pika side, this is not onto as well. Okay? So, if you try to compare both of this, no? Ang one-to-one must be unique. Ang surjective kay exhausted. Then, ang constraint niya, 2x share kay y. And then y is, and there is a surjective kay no y is left behind. Ang visualization niya, each y has at most one arrow for 1 to 1. And there lang kay at least one arrow. So further illustrate it like that. So try to take a look. Some functions are or are not onto their codomains. So with this, kana siya, onto siya, but not one to one. Okay? This one, not onto or one to one. This one, okay, this is both one to one and onto. And the other one is one to one but not onto. Nga naman kay diri nga side kani nga kani wala man siya. Okay? So nasabtan pa na ninyo class. Ako lang nang tingbon ang example ha kay para makuan ako siya run through ra ang slides and then atong balikon later on. Okay, how about bijection? So ang bijection, kung one-to-one siya o kanang onto siya, bijection na siya. Okay? Ang tawag niya kay both injective and surjective, ang tawag niya kay bijection. So reversible or invertible. No? So in other words, perfect ang iyahang pairing. So it's somewhat like this. Ay, ano man dyan ka? Uy, lautot na ko ni mo ha. There's something wrong. So kani pananglitan. Pero pali no? Ang arrow. Pero pare-pare haragapon siya. So every B is an element has exactly one pre-image. So na siya invertible. Okay? So sige, ato sang hatagan og example si injective. Kinsa to si injective, si surjective og si bijective. Wait, i-share sana ko akong screen. Kasi di ta makasabot kung inato lang i-visualize lang nato siya. Camera. Kadali sa hakos ang wala na ako na-set down akong board. Green apple saba. Okay, first we will do the counter example na lang para mas dali nato siya masabtan kung unsa si si injective. No? So example, okay, so okay, let injective ni ha. Let f of x is equals to 2x plus 1, where x is an element of z. So we will have it like sorry. Unsa ganito si Kuan? si injective class. We have it in there. We will try to prove, no? Or proof. But let's just try first to have the idea there that we will assume f of A is equals to f of B. So if we will put f of A here equals 2 and f of B equals 3, therefore f of A is not equals to f of B. But if we will say, for example, you have it, your f of A is 2A plus 1 is equals to 2B plus 1. Ay, nga naman yun. Wala. Okay, 2A plus 1 plus 2B plus 1. So, this particular kani siya, kani nga function here, wala ko dira nga function. So, more or less, therefore, this one is parehas siya. Why? No repetition of the output. Okay, let's have another example para masabtan furthermore unsa siya. So let's have like f of x is equals to x cubed, no? Where x is an element of R. Okay. So by counter example, let's have if f of 1 is equals to 1 and f of 2 is equals to 8. And then we can also have f of negative 2 is equals to negative 8. So unsay boot pasabot gali sa injective, all outputs are different. So the output here are different. Question. Kani siya is injective. We apply it with a counter example. Okay, further, para ato pag yun masabtan, atong itry og kuan si surjective para makakompare ta sa duha. Okay. Let's say for example, for surjective na niya, or surjection. So let's have it like, let f of x is equals to x squared, where our domain is R, okay, and our codomain also is R. So, unsa gina si R? So to si R, real number ba si R? So unsa may mahitabuan niya? Or shall we say, our R is, our codomain is greater than or equals to 0 di ay natong codomain. So real number is unsa gato na positive ug negative, no? Mo ba na siya? Or integer? Unsa man to? R is an integer, kay Z ba tong real number? Unsa man ganito katong atong nahibalaan before si R o si Z. Then N is the natural number. Oh, ana dahil siya, mauna siya. So let us try to check. No, let's say for example, atong check nato, no? If our f of 2 is equals, if f of, shall we say, f of 1, f of 2 na lang is 4 na for our x. And if our f of negative 2, alam na, x squared. Diba 4 gihapon? 2 squared. Negative times negative is 4. Ulang na. X squared ha. Atong kuan. So in that case, unsa man na siya? Surjective nga naman pareha siya o result. So si injective different, si surjective pareha. So if you also have negative 3, for example, this is 3 and 3 based on this condition here. So unsa may output ana niya? We can find the same result. So 3 unya negative 3 pareha ra man siya result. So this is surjective. Again, atong tanawon nga si injective lain-lain siya result. Pero sa surjective dapat pareha siya result based on the condition given. So magdepende gihapon ano sa gipangayo dirang dapita. Then maghatag ko later nga kanang lain-lain pareha ra man gyapon sa babaw kay dili man siya. Pero kung imong makuanan kung injective siya surjective, therefore ang kana siya kay bijective. Okay? Sige daw, let's have an example. So ano to ng bijective or bijection? I-try na to answer kung pareha ba siya. So let f of x is equals to x plus 5, where x is an element of z. So unsa ito si z, class? Di man lang yun inyo, no? Okay, so again, let's have it in an injective method. Ito sa say injective. You have it in there, f of a is equals to f of b. So this is will be a plus 5. Kay a man ang imong f of a is equals to b plus 5. Therefore, your a is equals to b. Okay? Then, how about sa surjective class? Ani niya nga given ka nang nasa taas. So, of course, you will say let y is an element of z. So, in that case, you will say y is equals to x plus 5. And x is equals to y minus 5. Okay? So, unsa man na siya? This is surjective and injective. Therefore, bijective C. Ay, sorry. Ako na ano. Okay, so we need to define exactly based on the domain and codomains. Other questions?
Excuse me, ma'am. So matawag ba nga ang bijective kay inverse?
Oh, invertible. O man tuyang kuan, invertible siya. Yes. Unsa pa lang question? Laray pangutana? Sige daw, kamo daw. Then you try values for each no. Unsa may nindot arita ni koan ni surjective. Sige. Example, let f of x is equals to x minus 4 where x is an element of z. So your output is y. Okay, show tumatangan output is y. So unsaon man na siya? Surjective na So yun siya mahitabo. Based on that. Yun siya man. Ano siya? So, mahitabo, y is equals to, ano sa gani? X minus 4. Dayon, x is equals to y plus 4. Ano? Okay. Sige, kamo daw, try ko maghatag og bijective. Kamoy answer. Bijective nga given. Let's say, from the paper. So, maning bijective, kaya ko ba ko yung solution, no? Example, let f of x is equals to 3x minus 7, where x is an element of z. Sige daw. Duhay yung answer, no? Injective o surjective. You type your answer. Kuan lang, okay naman siya. Kay pwede naman nimo siya i-type ang iyang expected output.
Bijective ang answer ko. Ako ng pangitaon.
Bijective din given. Para maka-answer mo sa surjective o sa kuan. Ang duha i-answer kalo ang surjective o ang injective. Libel lang, like answer sa surjective o injective. Whether ka mo I stands for injective and S stands for surjective. Anjay answer sa injective. Yes, that's correct for surjective. How about for the injective? Yes, sinilong.
Natuslok ko na, miss.
Oh. Unsa man ang injective ana niya sa iyang answer? Naman dong ba injective? Oh, injective. Sakto na ang answer ni Kalo nga kuan for surjective. For injective, pwede ka maingon dira og f of A is equals to f of B. So therefore, you will say, based on the given, you will say 3A minus 7 is equals to 3B minus 7. Therefore, A is equals to B. Nag-gets ninyo, class? Ang uban? Oh. Okay, very good. Sige, how about this? Tell whether what would be this given. For example, you have a set of A is equals to set of 1. Tell me whether it is bijective or not. Saan gali na siya kung A cross B? Or rather, ay ano na lang dahil siya. Like, ana na lang siya. Ana, ana, huwag ka na. Unsa ganito si bijective class? Kung surjective siya o injective. So, pwede man, 1-to-1 man na siya. Pwede sad siya unto, no? Sakto? Kung i-draw na nimo, ang mahitabo niya, this is 1, 2, 3, and this is A, B, C. Yeah, ana niyang nawong So this therefore, this is bijective. Okay? Sige, let's proceed for gamay na lamang to nga part sa slides. Maghatag ako ninyo gihapon activity later for the kan. Dahil ra gud no kung butangan mo siya counter example kay kapoy kaayo kung mubasa lang kaniya gang dapita sa kag kalipong. Okay. So again for bijection, naman eh. Okay, for bijection, there is for bijection, it could be an inverse A function. Mo itong pangutana ni kuan kaganina, no? Is it pwede inversible? Yes. There exists an inversible of f written f minus to the power of -1 or b mapped to a in which it is a unique function. So it's somewhat like this. Kanina? So it could be illustrated this way. Ay, ani. O, mo makita. Dihang dapita. A is still the domain of f. And then B is the codomain. Okay, shall we say if we have to have an input probably of a simple or we will have an expression on that one. Butangan ta lang o fraction siya. Ito na to kay 1/2. So it could be, pwede ka mo ingon o shall we say, so, example, we will have here the f is equals to r map to r parehas siya ana. And then we can have it like f of x yeah, imong butangan siya value that is negative 1/2. So mahitabo ana niya kay maingon siya dara og x is equals to negative 1/2. So it would be the real number. So your first r there tells that you are allowed to plug in a real number into that particular function. So when you have it like that, ang mahitabo niya, it would be the equation f of x kani. So can have negative 1/2 minus negative 1/2 is equals to unsa answer? Ha? Negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 o minus negative 1/2. Unsa? That is equals to negative yes, negative 1/2 minus negative 1/2. Nun sa naman na pareharam na sila. Oh my God. Negative 1. Noon sa naman, nawala tong mathematics aning dapita. Okay? Nasabtan na dapita, no? So again, kani diring dapitang part kay atong tan-awon, is it 1-to-1? 1-to-1 ba siya? Yes or no? Kana nga kani nga kuan. Ani siya, 1-to-1 ni siya? Yes. And it is also onto, no? There is a line. So in other words, this is a bijective. Ani nga example. So 1-to-1 ni siya, onto pod, and then bijective. Ay. O nag-advance day ko hatag. Inara. How about this? O kani siya nga kuan ay dili kana di ay. So for example kani fx x squared. So kani siya kung inanay ang forma sa katong naka-plot ni siya. So this is not 1-to-1 and this is onto and this is not bijective. So the function there is invertible. How about this one? Okay. Sa muka ay. Ani? So, mo ba ni? Oh, dili day. Mo day. Oh. So, kung ano ba yan? Lagot. So, this one, ansi kalainan sa usa ka ganina, kari kay wala ni lahos, no? Pero kani ni lahos. Ah. So, yan. Kani siya ka example, no, no, also ano. So, wala. Furthermore, this is the, ani, ay, kani. So, kung imo makita, 1-to-1, not onto. Kani siya onto, pero dili siya 1-to-1. Then kaning duha 1-to-1 and onto kani mas dali man gud nimo siya tanan kung illustrate siya. So actually mo nang kay A1 A4 B1 timan ilang ina ni mga kanang relationship ha. C3 D2. So maski asa sige ko an for as long as ano siya. So 1-to-1 no kay lain-lain siya naka-cross siya pero 1-to-1 ni siya. At the same time onto. Kani siya, dili ni siya 1-to-1 or onto. Ano man, si A o si C, ni point kay 2. Unless si A mo point kay 4, that makes it 1-to-1 and onto. This one is not a function. Why? A points to 2 and 4. Okay? So, or na si function tanan class. Ako lang din siyang ihatag ninyong slide pod para inyo pa siyang ma-internalize furthermore. And then maghatag pod ko ninyo og ipa-prove ninyo based on a certain situation. It could be a set or whatever it is para inyo hapod siya nga ma-write. So, unsa na to atong exam? Ano tayo set, yan, function. Pero si function o si relation mo ay atong finals. Si set kay quiz ra na ko siya. Pero mag-quiz gyapon pud ko ani niya. Okay? Do you have any clarification so far? Ako mas makasabot ko kung i-visual nimo siya no kaysa hatagan na nimo og situation. Wala na yung pangutana class? Or maghatag ko one more example. Then i-identify ni siya unsa kani siya subject. Di ko masulti subjective ba ni siya or kuan or injective. Sige daw kamo daw. Ay wala kong camera ko lang di off. Oh, dira. Camera. Action. Kamo identify ha. Kung i-prove ninyo siya, kung unsa siya. Okay. Ako niingon ug unsa ni siya, injective ba ni siya, bijective ba ni siya, or surjective. Let's say, let f of x is equals to, sorry, 5x minus 2 where padung naman dito. X is an element of Z. Kana. 2 na ha, 2. I'll give you time. Last final example. Butangi og kuan counter example. I mean, butangi value pa para mabalaan nimo siya kung unsa siya. Sure, bijective, solba daw. Solba ang surjective niya o ang injective para mabalaan nato. Ako ra tong gi kuan ha maski 10 mo ka pinaabot akong gitan-aw sa toilet. Sure ka bijective siya kalo? Butangi counter example. Para ma-test nimo. yes, correct. It is an injective. Ngayon sa ninyo pagkuan. Ha? Oh, mas nindot jud na siya, butangan siya og butangan nimo siya og value or imo siyang kuan replace, no? Ngano man kay gabot nimo sa injective, surjective, di ba? Kay maymon to siya y is equals to 5x minus 2, no? Unya x is equals to y plus 2 over 5. Sakto? Sakto, class? If you solve for x. So y plus 2 must be divisible by 5. Unya, kung mayon ka diha, imo nang butang value kay it is not always true man. Nasabtan ninyo? Whereas if you try to put it kato sa injective kay mayon ba kato? Let's say kung unsay imong like kana imong gibuhat kaloo, 'di ba? Mayon ka for example, if 1 ay unsa ni if 1 negative 1 sa kuan man na, 'di ba? Sa subjective man ang ano itong iyahang value. So for example, you will say sa injective ato iswat eh. Sa injective, if you will assume f of A equals to f of B. So therefore, you will say 5A minus 2 is equals to 5B minus 2. So 5A is equals to 5B. Therefore, A is equals to B. No? Pero sa surjective class, if you try to make it like hanglan mo siya i-solve. So we'll say 5x, mo man ang sa y na no, minus 2. So if you try to solve for x, ang mahitabo kay y plus 2 over 5. Tama? And then butangan na nimo value kay dili man siya always true. So in other words, let's say for example, butangan na to y equals 0. So, may imong x kay mahitabo niya would be 0 plus 2 over 5 or 2 over 5. So, mo nang ano siya, dili sa surjective. It is only injective. So, ang yes nimo is only kani. Pero kani, it's a no. And ang bijective also is a no. So, injective lang. Surjective and bijective. ISB. Okay, nasabtan siya. So, need mo siya ibuhatan og counter example to further explain kung ano ba siya. No? Kay maski pa muhatag ko diri og value from 0 to 2. So, false, dili siya always true. So, therefore, this is not surjective. Okay na? Walay pangutana? Mag-practice lang ta. Sige lang, maghatag ra ko ninyo og example nga, inyong set work. So, kinsa man gali na late ganina? Nakakuan ra ko ato kinsa. So, mining sayo-sayo tamo, so good, sayo-sayo sa tamahuman. Maabtan tagalas 12. Atong tiyan, gutom na, di na takasabot. Damortang di nakasabot. So, ano? May nang igano na to. Okay? So, more good to ang technique niya to prove for the function class is that you have to really solve whether it is injective, bijective, or surjective. So ako lang ning i-share ninyo later on ug mahumanin ako discuss ang whole nga topic. Walay clarification? Sabtan raman no, mga bright man yung mga estudyante. Basta timan na lang gud to ninyo si Z, si N o si R. Natural number, real numbers and integers para inig-test ninyo ay sakto siya. Okay, so kung wala na, that's all for today class. I will be updating you for some ay moto kong gingon murag natingob-tingob gini na to tong exam. Anyway, ako maning i-share sa inyo akong slides. Have a blessed day everyone. Bye. Dili ta mag-klase tomorrow kay naa kami convention. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Bell?
Miss.
You have question, Mabel?
Thank you, Miss.
Ma'am, pwede, excuse me, ma'am. Pwede
Ah.
po kukuha, ma'am, ang imong PPT, ma'am, kay...
Oh, i-share na ko ang PPT later.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am.
Ay kabala ka until Saturday. Sa Saturday, pabitan ako i-share ka nang mga ako discuss tanan ba?
Okay,
Ah,
ma'am. Sige,
sige,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
bye. Aping.